Hey lovelies, it's One of Us Collective, and today we are going on day 2 of Be Your Own Resource, my new series. Of course, taking out this green folder, and yeah, like I said, I showed you in each video, I've got it all planned out here, so I am ready. Day 2 is all about video editing, so it's a guide to video editing, not like a tutorial, but a just like the music guide, the best programs, what they do, their costs, and things like that. So, I've got Mr. Blue folder here, all the information. Obviously I don't read word for word, but I skim through and tell you the most important details. This is what it looks like. You'll get yourself a copy of this if you buy my course or my Notion template after the Be Your Own Resource series is over. So it's a 30-day series, and you can find all these videos in the playlist on my main channel up front, or where the playlists are found on YouTube. So, guide for video editing programs and resources. So, my first and favorite is Final Cut Pro. I actually bought it when it was $600, but now it's $300. And if you have a newer iPad, like an iPad that's from this last generation or higher, you'll be able to use the subscription-based Final Cut Pro on your iPad, but you can always buy it on the computer for $300. So it is very user-friendly, and it's definitely an upgrade from iMovie. It can be used only on Macs, and it has it produces really high value content. It is best known for being a video editing software, and it was created in 1998 actually, which is surprising. So I never heard about it until well into the late, like 10 years later. So Sony Vegas is another really good one because but it's for Windows only. It ranges from $12 to $25 a month depending on what package you go with. It's easy to use. It works only on Windows, like I said. It is a downgrade from Premiere Pro, but way more easier to learn because Premiere is a level of its own. What is best known for video editing, and it was created a year later after Final Cut Pro. So it was a main competitor of it. So the next one, which is a really good one too, it's in the top 10. So it'd probably be like a 9 out of 10, or like a number 2 out of, like, when you're going from 1 to 10. DaVinci Resolve. How much does it cost? It costs $295. It does have a little bit of a learning curve. You can use it on both Mac and Windows, which is nice. It is the special uses for it is color correction, motion graphics, and editing. It's best known to be powerful for pros, and it was generated in 2004. Adobe Premiere Pro, everyone knows about it. Very extreme learning curve. It can range between $21 and $36 a month. If you have Creative Cloud, you can get all the apps for about $100 a month as a Canadian. Does it work on Windows or Mac or both? Both. Special uses, Creative Cloud integration, so it'll save everything on the cloud. It's best known for post-production workflow, and it was created in 2003, a year before DaVinci Resolve. LumaFusion. Now LumaFusion is one of my favorite video editors on the mobile. It was created in 2016. It only cost $30. It actually cost $20 when I bought it. It's easy to use. It works for both Mac and it works for both, and it has multi-track video editing, and it's known for chroma key effects, magnetic timeline, and green screen. So the next one is one that is mainly used and heard of for on TikTok videos, but you can also use it for other videos as well. So it is $13 a month. It's number 6, and I would kind of say it's a 5 out of 10. You can use it on both. You can cut, trim, special effects, editing. It's known for making templates, and it was created in 2020. The number 7 is the GoPro Quick. It's a video editor for the GoPro. It costs $10 a year. It is easy to use. It works on both Mac and Windows. It has a GoPro use remote, and it's known for unlimited cloud backup, and it was created in 2021. iMovie is a well-known one. It is probably 8 on my list of 10, and it is free. It's great for beginners. You can only use it on Mac. It's known for editing videos basically, and free. It's free, and it was created in 1999. Sorry, with the page in your face. So next is number 9, and it is CyberLink Power Director. So this one is really great, but these next 3 ones are kind of like how do I say it? They're less used than Final Cut and Adobe and DaVinci. Those are the 3 main ones that people use. But also there is lots of other creators who like to use different things, and honestly, it's fun to see the new uses and new ways to edit with each of them. So number 9 is CyberLink Power Director. This is a really good one. This is one I started with a long time ago. $27 to $45 a month. It used to be free. It's easy to learn. You can use it on Mac or PC. Simple video making, and it has AI motion tracking, which is really nice. It's created in 2001. Number 10, Filmora Wondershare. It costs $80 once. It's easy to learn. It can be used both on Mac and Windows. It has 100 video tracks. You can put 100 video tracks, layers, and VFX. It's best known for creating without limits, and it was created in 2015. I haven't used much of it, but I've thought lots about it. Number 11, Pinnacle Studio. So this is between $90 and $130 one-time purchase. There's a steep learning curve. It's only for Windows. It's known for video masking and 3D video or 360 video editing. It's an advanced editor, and it was made in 2012. All of these will be linked in the timeline below, just so you guys can click on them in case you forget something about them. Number 12, Synthesia. So it is $30 a month. It's easy to use. It works on Mac and Windows. It is good for training videos, so for teaching people things, and it reduces time to produce quality videos, and it was created in 2017. Riverside. It costs $25 a month, but there's a clunky interface. You can use it on both Mac and Windows. Trim and cut before VFX. And it's known for podcast editing, and it records you're in the same room, and it doesn't base your recordings off your Wi-Fi. It was created in 2020. The next one is called Animaker. It's number 14. It costs $80 a month. It's easy to use. You can use it on Windows and Mac, and it has 100 million stock assets. It's known for animation, and it was created in 2014. So we wanted to add an animation into your videos, as well as those are just fun extras you can use. So the next one we have is number 15, and it's called Camtasia, and it's between $240 and $375 a year. It's easy to use. You can use it on both Windows and Mac. It's good for webinars and video tutorials. It's best known for screen recording, and it was created in 2002. These are other amazing tools that I've gathered together to help editing and improve production. So this is a subscription, and it's called Storyblocks. It costs between $20 and $50 a month, depending on what features you need. It's easy to use. You can use it both on Mac and Windows. It's known for being a stock media company. It is best known for rapid video creation, and it was created in 2009. So Storyblocks, basically, the best way to describe this to you would be you need a picture or a video of the beach, and you need it to be animated, and you need it to be just a regular video of the beach, moving back and forth. Well, it'll give you any beach in the world. So it has a lot, they hire creators to go and take videos, and then that's what they put on their website. And so you can use that if you're going to Hawaii and you didn't get enough pictures or videos of the beach. So next is called StoryKit. It has custom pricing. It's easy to use. It works for Windows or Macs. It uses text to AI generation videos, and it's best known for turning text into AI videos. So you just type in, I want a video about a dog barking, and then it would make that for you. It was created in 2014. So the next one is called Motion VFX, and it usually costs about $100 per product. There's tons of different products on there. It's easy to use. It works for both Mac and Windows. It has lots of templates. It is a plugin for video editing software, and it was created in 2009. Next, we have number 4, and it's called 4Editors. It costs $580 once. It's easy to use. It works on Mac and Windows, and it is best known for being a plugin and template provider. And you can get bundles, and there's no clear date on when it was first launched. Shutterstock is number 5. Costs between $30 and $200 a month. It's easy to use. It can be used on Mac and Windows. It's known for stock images and videos, and it's best known for professional photos. It was created in 2003, and just a few more, and we'll be ready to go. So just remember, they'll all be in the description, and you can click if you want me to repeat any of them. Number 6, Adobe Stock. It costs between $39 and $328 a month. It is easy to use. You can use it on both Windows and Mac. It's known for stock graphics and photos, and it's known for its assets, and it was created in 1986. Next one is called After Effects. It can cost $72 a month. It's challenging to learn. Works on Windows and Mac. Its special uses are 2D and 3D animations, and it's best known for vectors and rasterized art. It was created in 1993. I want to say 2003 for some reason. 1993. And the next one is Motion Array. It costs between $20 and $37.50 a month. It's easy to use, and it works with both Windows and Mac. The special uses for each are templates and music, and it's known for its assets, and it was created in 2013. So we got 2 left, and then I have a little special something for you guys. Number 9, Video Leaps. It costs between $8 and $70 a month, or $8 a month or $70 once. It's easy to use. It's only for Mac. It creates videos for social media and templates for content creation, and it was created in 2017. The next thing is Epidemic Sounds, which I talked about in yesterday's video when I talked about a guide to copyright-free music. So, number 10 is Epidemic Sounds. It costs $18 to $40 a month. It's easy to use. It can be used on Windows and Mac. If you ever hear ambulances or anything, they're when you live downtown, that's usually what happens. They have over 40,000 tracks. They have great sounds and graphics, and it was created in 2009. So what I have for you is I'm going to be giving a special discount to all the creators and all the people who are interested in starting a YouTube channel from scratch who are watching this series. So make sure to stay tuned, as I will be giving Easter eggs on different coupon codes that you guys can use, and ways for you to get that Notion template, and as well ways for you to get my course a little cheaper so that you guys can have physical copies of these, whether they're on your iPad, your phone, computer, for life, and so you won't have to do this research yourself, as well as all the other fun stuff that's inside of there that I won't be teaching you in this series, but have really learned and am really excited to share with you. So that is part 2. I'm really grateful for all of you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.